Neubert Architects presents Tea House, a residence for a young family perched atop Los Angeles' Hollywood Hills, offering commanding views of the San Fernando Valley, Griffith Park, and the iconic Hollywood sign. This biophilic residence sublimely blends with its bucolic surroundings, cleverly adhering to strict hillside regulations while proposing an innovative model for Southern California hillside developments. Gracefully cascading down the steep terrain from the south, the home creates an inviting entry courtyard through the strategic separation from the adjacent slope, featuring descending terrace gardens that lead visitors to the glass-enclosed foyer. Thanks for watching, and always remember that your home is a canvas waiting for your personal touch. So go ahead and start creating your dream space today.